The government of St. Lucia has taken steps to reduce period poverty while removing the value-added tax on menstrual pads. However, retailers did not lower their prices as hoped. To combat this, the government has imposed price controls on women's sanitary napkins for the next 2 years. Wholesalers and retailers will only be able to charge a maximum of 30% and 35% above the cost price, respectively. The aim is to make these products more affordable for everyone.
From the 23rd of October, we decided that the cabinet decided that some types of sanitary gear will be under price control, basically to ensure that there is fairness and then the government and the benefits of removal of VAT is felt by the public generally.
Finance Minister Philip J. Pierre is facing a challenging balancing act. He needs to stimulate consumption to grow the economy, while also keeping the budget in check and paying down debt. Measures such as a temporary 2.5% levy on services and some imports will generate revenue to finance healthcare and equip the police to fight crime. Meanwhile, VAT exemptions on building supplies will spur economic activity.
We want to remind citizens that the VAT on building materials was taken out. So building materials would cost 12.5% cheaper than any time building materials are imported. Regardless of the cost, the price will be 12.5% cheaper. And I can tell you that has created some level of increased activity. And from what I'm hearing, the Christmas season, in terms of people doing renovations to their homes, there is going to be the effect of the removal of VAT on building materials is going to be felt. I've been told so. The signs are there, and people are very excited about the removal of VAT on building materials. Hence the same the removal of VAT on these on some levels, some types of sanitary equipment.
The global cost of living crisis, driven by inflation and disrupted supply chains, has led to sticker shock for consumers. Pierre has stated that food will not be subject to the levy.
There is no health and security levy on food. There is no health and security levy on any goods that were VATable. Once there was no VAT, there is no health and security levy on it. Once VAT was zero rated, there is no health and security levy on it. There is no health and security levy on charcoal unless it's imported. I want to know how many of you import walking sticks. If you can tell me the amount of people who import walking sticks, I'll be very, very happy. Please, I'm putting out a question. How many people import walking sticks to the country? So if you can tell me how many people import walking sticks, I'm going to be very, 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 and I'll remove it. If you tell me that walking sticks is an essential thing that causes the cost of living to increase, walking sticks, tell me, I'll remove the health and security levy.
Tax policy is essential for revenue generation and creating an environment for private sector-led job growth. However, the government is also mindful of social support programs and helping those who struggle to access basic necessities. They have pledged to make revisions where necessary.